So what's up guys, I am Arjavit and welcome in next tutorial where I will show you how to download video from YouTube. How to do it? Okay, I will show you. So start, you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. Okay, so first what you need to do is enter on your account. And now you must enter on the website and you must write YouTube Premium. You have also link in the description to this. And now what you have here, by YouTube Premium you may download every video for when you really need them, like when you are on a plane or commuting. Save videos. You have also ad-free background play. Watch videos uninterrupted by ads while using other apps or when the screen is locked. You have also YouTube Music Premium. Download our new music app and listen without interruptions. So you have ad-free, download and go, background play, YouTube Music Premium. You have also here what is included with YouTube Premium. Ad-free videos, watch millions of videos uninterrupted by ads, download videos to watch offline, save videos and playlist on mobile device and play them offline. Play in the background, keep videos playing when using other apps or when your screen is off. YouTube Music. Easy explore the world of music with the new and improved YouTube Music app. Others, you have also here how does downloading videos and music work, how can I cancel my membership, what is a background play. And so here you may have start tier, 2 months you have trial for free, we will remind you 7 days before your trial ends, recurring billing, cancel at any time. So you may click start trial. And here you may add credit or debit card, add my passive card. As you can see, is that. Later you may click buy. That's it's looking. So I have hope that I help you. Here you can download music from YouTube. So that's all. Thanks for watching. I have hope that I help you. Leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, leave a bell, bye bye and see you next time. Thanks.